Using the diagram below, give an example of each part of the circle. Let's take a look at the center. The center is right here, located at point P, so we can say that is point P. The radius goes from the center to the circumference. Here you can say it is line PM. Also, you can also say that can be line PN as well. Both answers are valid. The diameter goes from one end to the other end, crossing through the center. So we can say that is line NL. The chord, a chord can just cross from one end, so M, to the other end, and that can be line ML. A secant crosses through the entire circle from the outside. So here is J, crosses there. That would be the secant. So we can say that is JL. A tangent. A tangent must intersect at 90 degrees. So right here, if JN intersects here, we can say that can be the tangent of JN. The central angle. The central angle uses the center point, and here again, this is the center. So we can say that is angle NPM. That includes the center here. An inscribed angle uses the other end. So we can use this end here. So we can say that is KLM angle. Right here from KLM uses one end. So that can be that angle. A minor arc is a small one, which is two letters. So that can be arc NM. Major arc is a large part that covers three letters. So we can say that could be, let's say, L and K all through to M. So we can say L, K, and M with the arc symbol. The semicircle here uses the diameter. So right here, if this is the diameter, the semicircle can just be this part. And we can say it is the angle of N. We can say the semicircle has the arc of NKL. There you go. Those are the parts of your circle.